Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video tutorial we will see something related to KDP, Amazon KDP Kindle marketing. So last time I have published a video related to Amazon KDP, that how you can do KDP and what is KDP and how you can make money doing KDP. So make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join our Facebook group premium share to get daily updates. So without wasting time, let's start the tutorials. The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company. So at first you have to visit this site. So if you visit the site, you can able to see that Q4 is now happening, and Q4 means the last 3 or 4 months of every year. And in this month you will see a lot of events are going to be happen. So as it's now October, so in this October month we have reminding that Halloween event, and after that we have more event like Black Friday and like Cyber Monday and the New Year Eve, Christmas Eve, etc. So you can get that doc file from there. And now if you come to Amazon and looking for a keyword, then you get some suggestion with that tool called KDP Amazon BSR keyword research tool. So you can get the keyword score here, and you can simply find it from the Google Chrome Web Store. So let's see. Okay, so you can add this extension from your Google Web Store, and if you come down you can see that the features of this free extension, you will get a lot of features to get use of this extension. Now come to the second part, that Publisher Rocket is one of the most popular tool for KDP marketers. If you know little bit about KDP marketing, then I'm sure that you will pretty much know about what is Publisher Rocket. So Publisher Rocket is paid keyword research tool for Amazon KDP keyword research, competitor research, and bestseller research, and a lot of thing you can do with that tool. So here is a guide I'm providing you. You can get it from the link in the video description to how to use it. You can get help from it. And now how we can get the Publisher Rocket full version for free with legally. So you have to go to this link, publisherrocket.com/download, and download that Publisher Rocket tool for free, and then you have to install it as it is, as we install other tools, and then you will see an icon like this. Now double click on this and it will pop up with a white window. So after you see that white window, now then as soon as possible you have to turn on your internet connection and wait for the actual dashboard what is coming in front of you. So as you can see that this window, then you can again turn on your internet connection. So here you can see that it's not asking us for the activation key, so we can use it freely. So let's try a bit. Okay, let's here I am searching for activity books for kids in Halloween, as it's now Halloween. So let's get some search with that tool. Is it work or not? Okay, so you can see that it brings a lot of keyword in front of us. Now let's analyze, and you can see that yes, it's working. You can see the average monthly earning with a particular keyword, where you can see the Google search volume and the Amazon search volume for each month, and you can also see here the most important thing, the competitive score. And if you come to the next part, you will see in the next tab, you will see the competitor analysis. So if you guys with that tool with your competitor, you will get much more data than go for manually scrapping. So it will help you a lot in your Kindle marketing. So you can see a lot of data here, and if you click on any of this, it will bring you to the main sale page of that ebook. Okay, and now you will get also if you get it a little bit hard to use, then you can get also the tutorials from that the last tab, or you just have to click on that tutorial tab, and it will take you to the tutorial page of Publisher Rocket, and you can see each of videos one by one to know how to use it for the maximum profit. And here you can see that it will also give you the title of your Kindle books. So this is totally an amazing tool to use for your Kindle marketing as a beginner and as a professional too. So I hope you liked today's video tutorial, and make sure to subscribe and like my YouTube video and channel for more latest updates related. So thank you for watching.